Hello everyone, today I'm about to simply go ahead and teach you how you can download and sign up into your Tumblr app. It is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video till the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, in order for you to go ahead and download your Tumblr on your Android device, you want to go ahead and open your Play Store, and on your iOS you want to go ahead and open your App Store and just search for the Tumblr application on the search bar, as you can see. And once you go ahead and search for Tumblr, the first application with the logo T, you want to go ahead and download it by simply tapping on the install button, and it will go ahead and download for you on your device. So go ahead and wait for some time. Once it's downloaded, it's going to start installing into your phone, and finally once it has installed onto your device, you want to simply go ahead and tap on this open button right over here and open the application in order for you to go ahead and sign up. So now go ahead and tap on get started. Once you have done that, you want to simply go ahead and enter how old you are and simply tap on next. And it will basically ask you what do you like. You can simply go ahead and choose anything that you might like. I'm gonna go ahead and choose aesthetic. I'm gonna go ahead and choose funny. I'm gonna go ahead and choose music, and I'm gonna go ahead and choose finally celebrities. And then the last option, I'm gonna go ahead and choose fashion, but you can go ahead and choose any of your interests and tap on next. Once you have done that, as you can see, you're going to be on this page where you want to tap on the skip button on the top right, and over here you want to tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen. And over here, in order for you to go ahead and sign up, you want to simply go ahead and enter your email on top, and then go ahead and create a password and enter it there, and tap on name and go ahead and enter your name, and simply tap on done on the top right of your screen, and your account will be successfully made. So if you thought this video was informational, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and comment down below what video you want me to make next. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching.